Okay, still check if array pairs are divisible by k. Given an array of integers, array of even length and integer k, here we have 10 elements, so we want to divide by 2, so we get like 5 pairs. So we need to have 5 pairs where the sum is divisible by k. As you see here, everything sums up to be 10, and it is divisible by k. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, where there should be 3 pairs. So to see if it is divisible by k, we pick 1. Add these two together such that it is divisible by k. Yeah, this one is definitely a hard one. You can try all possible pairs to see if there is no way to divide array into 3 pairs. Yeah, you can just see that. But the way we can tell is by checking where so let's put in this way, right? So if 10 minus this number, then we try to find 4 if 4 exists in this number, any of them. So it's kind of like a 2-sum, but what is different is that kind of hard problem. Because I just want to see what the discussion say. Okay, was asked the invariant. Really? It looks simple. I don't think it is simple though. Let me think. Okay, if okay, the brute force approach will be adding these with any one of these. and then divide by this. And if it works, you erase these two from the set. And then we keep doing this. Yeah. So we do this. We add this with this divisible, so we remove it. Okay, but here the thing is, let's use this one as the example. So if we have 1, we shall press 2, press 3, press 4, or press 4 works. So we grip and then fall into a pair and remove it here. We already have 1 pair here. And then we left with 2. So 2 plus 3, which works. So we remove it, and we add 1 to our pair. And we have 5 to 10. 5 to 10. Okay, so n divided by 2 pairs, it doesn't matter because we guarantee even length. So basically, he's just trying to say if you check if all pairs that's like the statement, right? So we keep doing this. 5 plus 10, which works. So we remove it. 6 plus 7 doesn't work. 6 plus 8, which doesn't work. 6 plus 9 works. So 6 plus 9 is gone. 7 plus 8. So you may ask, will this guarantee it? Let's try to see if it guarantees. Okay, the moment we look through the whole array, we couldn't find the element, then we can return false. Right. So it looks easy, but let's see what are the edge cases. So to code this out, what we will do is array is dynamic, so we need to do something like this. Here's the thing, our array is dynamic, so we should say for j in array. Okay, it doesn't say. Okay, so it could be duplicate. So what we should do instead is using range. Because there could be duplicate number. Okay, so if I is not equals to j, actually we can start from I plus 1. So what we will do is we will check if I plus j is not k equals 6, then return, we don't return anything. What we'll do is that we pop it. So we pop I and we dot pop j, and then is the array element. Okay, and then we pop it. And if there ain't any, then we will continue. So if this happened, we continue back to here. So if it doesn't, then we return false. Because this is like a guarantee. If this doesn't pass anything, then we can return false instantly. If the array is 0, then return true. Else return false. It looks like this way. We'll try. Oh, then I think I missed something. Oh, array j. Oh, let's see what happened. Oh, array I. Oh yeah, my ass. What am I thinking? So it should be here. It should be. Right, so there should be like a variable to see if something get divisible. Here found false. So if there is a pair found, right, and then we if pair found, if not pair found, then we return false. So now it should be working. Let's see, J. Oh, yeah, because I forget to mark on here. Now it should do the job. Okay, I start to think about okay, since we have 1, 2, pop I, here's pop J. The thing is the index matter, so we pop the wrong element. Let's see what pair we found. So the pair we found is 1, 4, which is divisible by 5. So we remove 1 and remove 4, which this obviously doesn't remove the item as expected. Oh, because judged by location, I guess. So basically like this. Let's pop. Use location instead. IJ. Equals 1, 4, 1, 14 get removed. Wait, 40 and get removed. Okay, 1/4 get removed. But the thing is, 2/8 get removed, and then we stuck because the length of the array keep changing. Okay, here we cannot use a for loop, definitely. We should use a while loop. Because my brain is not thinking. So I can miss this part. So we should set that I equals 0 and j equals 0. j is 0 should be set here. So if I is more than leave the array, then we should keep going. Then after one loop, I should increase by, and here we should also change. Okay, but if we found a pair and we remove something, then we need to set I equals 0. Yeah, I mean, if you clarify anything, then it's guaranteed that I guess each element should at least find something, so it's guaranteed that if this couldn't find any pair, then it is false. So it's guaranteed that this one should be able to find one pair that help him to match. So we can just set I equals 0. And then we do something like this. And j will be equals to I plus 1, which the reason is kind of obvious. So we found a pair, I equals 0. Update this one. Okay, what I'm thinking right now is something like this. So we know 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say we're trying to find pairs that get divisible by 2, right? So if we look from 0, we always start from here, and then we check we need these 2 here. So if 2 plus this is divisible by 2, no, 3 plus 1 is divisible by 2. So we pop 1 and 3 out of the array. So we left with 2 and 4, and we start here again. But now we start from here. Kind of like the length is also changing. So supposedly the length of array should also be changing. For j equals to I plus 1. Okay, finally, some really weird operation that for loop doesn't work apparently. We can try to see if this will work. I don't believe it will work because of some edge cases. Or you might probably get TLE or something. Yeah, of course TLE. Yeah, yeah. So basically, just giving you TLE. How do we deal with this? Is we only need to check first half or okay, TLE. Interesting enough. What the fuck? Wow. Actually, I can do sorting in two pointer. I think sorting in two pointer works. Uh, I think for the sorting in two-pointer solution, it will look something like 9 times 10. Actually, I don't know how the sorting in two-pointer works. Which one is faster? ON complexity is ON log n. What the heck, ON complexity is wild. I'm just gonna learn this. Okay, in the count, iter observe that. Let's see. Iterate with all arrays elements and compare the count of mod and k mod. Wow. Oh wow. Okay, so let's say we have the first example, right? If we try to find the remainder, if we mod them, we'll get this number, which is a table like this. And if we compare mod to the k mod, k mod is a k mod. Mm, let me see. We have an array of size n and need to divide it exactly 10. To form a pair, we first pick an integer from the array to calculate its modulo k, which we will call mod. To find a suitable partner for this integer, we look for another element with a modulo value k mod, k minus mod. Oh, k minus mod. Okay. Wow. This is not really a data structure problem, but more like a grows as remainder problem. You Okay, this is basically saying okay, I think I understand what they are saying. So it's like, wait, let's say we have this one, right? Let's use this one as an example. So, because we know the formula, the AG mod K plus AI mod K mod K equals 0. It's the same thing. So, so we say input this to a module. So the mod K value will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And we want to have like a K minus mod value. Is the mod value. K minus mod will be 9, 8, 7, 4, 6, 5, and 4. So what about it? We can see if these exist, then it means there is a pair, which even what exists here, it means there's a matching. So which means there are 3 pairs that match. So we can see if they can actually form 3 pairs from to be 10K. No, it only means Oh, if all of them match, then it means it can form here, but here it doesn't. So okay, let's use this one as another example. Let's say 7, right? So mod 7, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what we'll get is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Since they all in this mod value, then we can it will count it as appears before. So it will be true. Wow. This is a typically insane problem, I would say. If yeah, so let's get started. The first thing we want to do is get the modular list. So if mod 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we get okay, but what we are doing here is wrong, of course, because we need to check one more condition, which is the mod 5, right? So I mod k, or we can say val equals to I mod k, and this will be this one and this one. So what we are doing here is creating this mod list. So from this mod list, we know it is just modding each numbers and forming this list. And to check the k mod thing, what we need to do is the second part. So for all in range 0 to length array, we want to check if k minus mod. So if value be k minus array I mod k. So this exists in memory, like in our mem table. We do mem val minus equals to 1. And then we check for mem dot values if to be some values. if I is not equal to 0, is or we can just do return false, and it's guaranteed to be true here. So it will be something like this. Yeah, so if k minus, I forget about this, if val not in man, then we also return false. It's like a guarantee false directly. Yeah, it should now runs. Oh, yeah. Oh, I forget about these edge cases. Yeah. So, because for this one, we will have we will have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. So, if we make a list, each of them appears twice. So if we do k minus 1, we have 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 5, which is a little bit weird here because 2, 1. The 5, 5 doesn't cancel, which is something we don't want. So after, we should do something like k minus still not k again, and then it should now works. What a catch. Yeah, so let's try. What the fuck is like almost correct? Wow, pretty brutal, huh? It's pretty brutal, I would say. I think these are edge cases. Yeah, definitely not gonna find from there. So native is involved. Damn, I really don't know. Should we use this? I'll still keep on going. There's a wild amount of this. Do I want to try to print what did I return? The output is true. Wow, it should be false. Which means pass all tests. It shouldn't pass it. So I'm kind of stuck with a bit. I need ChatGPT to point out why this is not working. Or else I will just take forever. At least enough. What the heck?